Welcome to Bestuseful Tips. I will show you how to fix SIM not provisional on Android phone. In first method, restart your Android device. To long press the power button. Tap on a restart to restart your Android device and check fix the SIM issue. In second method, make sure SIM card is active. To check SIM card is active or not, try your SIM card with another device and check SIM issue or phone issue on your device. In third method, ensure to turn off aeroplane mode. Swipe down the notification panel. Here you can find the aeroplane mode option. Make sure to turn off aeroplane mode to enable network connection on your device. In fourth method, remove your SIM card from your phone. Clean it with soft cloth and reinsert it again. And check the fix the SIM card issue or not on your device. In fifth method, check for a software update on your Android device. Go to settings, scroll down, tap on a system, tap on a system update, tap on a check for update. If available update, update your Android device to fix the same issue. In the sixth method, check for a carrier setting update available on your device. Go to settings, tap on apps, tap on a see all apps. Now find the carrier services option, tap on it. Again scroll down at the end, tap on app details. If available update, tap on update to update your carrier settings update to fix this mobile SIM card issue on your device. And the last method, if you still have phishing issue, try a different SIM card or replace the SIM card on your device. That's it. If you like it, share it.